Land of the rising sun, we love and cherish. Beloved homeland of our brave heroes. We must defend our lives or we shall perish. We shall protect our hearts from all our foes. But if their praise is that for all we hold dear, then let us die without a shred of fear. Held to be Afra consecrated nation, O fatherland, this be our solemn pledge. Defending thee shall be a dedication. Spilling our blood we count a privilege. The waving standard which emboldens the free shall always be a flag of liberty. We shall emerge triumphant from this ordeal, and through the crucible unscathed we'll pass. When we are poised the wounds of battle to heal, we shall remember those who died in mass. Then shall our trumpets build a glorious sound. Our victory we scarred our minds around. Oh God, protect us from the hidden pitfall. Guide all our movement lest we go astray. Give us the strength to hear the humanist call, to give and not to count their cost each day. Bless those who rule to serve with resoluteness, to make this climb a land of righteousness. Biafran's Got Talent exclusive.
After this heavy rain, please let the sun rise.
Our lives are in danger, siblings and more that all day long we are being ruled by strangers. Give us Biafra. We are begging you, please. There's nothing we can do without you. It's only you that will save my life. Chukwu King Biama, you are the one to give us Biafra. We pray, oh God.
Sing the songs. We are your children, save the lives. We are your children, save our strength. We are the land and give us Chukwu Biama, give us Biafra. Yeah. We are begging you, Lord, and you live
In the zoo, you up there, my set us free. We are begging you.
Send my paper, stay at home. Hey, save my life.
We want nothing more, nothing less. We are
The
tired
land of the zoo. Save my life. Save my life, Baba. Chukwu Biama, give us Biafra. Yeah. We are begging you. In the second, we shall rise and I drink and walk again. We shall rise in a sea. God knows it is the night in the dead. Chukwu King Biama, the dead in the drink and save the girls. us Biafra. We are begging you, save us. Chukwa Biama, give us Biafra. We are begging you, Aride Bulgum, Iwe Webugum.
I know you can feel our anger, but I let us perish in the hands of our enemies.
Of course, the enemy of Biafra must understand they are in trouble. But when they people come back on the board, my originality, land of the rising sun, Biafra, land of the rising sun, Biafra, my hope, my motherland. Biafra, land of the rising sun. Biafra, my home, my father's land. We are children of the Most High, called by the name of God. Children from the east and down they come. Great Biafrans give up. When they get into wine and gossip and night, we just learn the kingdom of God. And we wonder when I don't worship the one in Estanon. Trading on the night, exploiting your people. Breathing Balbata, you give us some more you and see the rain and from then civilization, student believers, and they told us about America, but we are risen. Your motive, we on the region and the man of nation, within the nation, tear us apart, building churches and hospitals. We never know when the dance will be a slave forever. Oh, no, we were so hard against the system. Working against the system, we work so hard against the system. Working against the system, but our life has gone poor. For the very line we did and then you come. Now is the time to be restored. Great Biafras be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for Biafra. Biafra, land of the rising sun. Biafra, my home, my father's land. Biafra, land of the rising sun. Biafra, my home, my father's land. I don't know. They want Biafra.
Oh, they're fighting for their freedom. So owe everything to Chukwuka must us to come. Not by our own might, not by our power, but by the grace of Chukwuka.
But the
Who must fall?
Amalgamation, colonial master, criminal master, mercenary soldiers, them Frederick Lugard, bring together all their captives, including their people, them Yoruba, them Arewas, Into other people, colors Nigeria, oh Nigeria, oh, different language and religion, different beliefs, different in culture and tradition, different language. Different in everything, child, everything. Oh, all the verses together, including some confusion, describing us all and us water. Rather the Kabas and the representatives here in Nigeria, the treasure, colonial external, modernization of the price. Now is the time to be manifest, and now is the time to be restored. Great Biafra be restored. I want freedom for my people. Freedom for Biafra. I love Biafra. Land of the rising sun. Biafra. My home, my father's land. Father's love.
The radio station with more. You're listening to the radio station.
You're listening to
This is
Radio Biafra.
Yes, once again, fellow Biafrans, lovers of freedom, men and women of goodwill, conscious people, wherever you are, all over the world, I say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and to some of you, good night, depending on your time zone. Do not mistake it anyway, having been away for a very long time to any older radio station. This is Radio Biafra Extra. Na mboko bidono. Oh na la Biafra kosi bidoro. We remain Radio Biafra Extra for all eternity. Honestly. And of course, we are streaming live to Radio Biafra London. Radio Biafra London is being anchored by the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. His name is Mazi Uche Okafo Mefo. Mazi Uche Okafo Mefo is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra State. Anambra State is Biafra land. Mazi Uche Okafo remained the one and the only man who stood up and said, I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. He said it. Also, Taniyamu Ekile, and you can go and show you son on women who are walking here. He has kept upon your more. It's simple as ABCD. Our enemy will feel our pain. They will test our venom, and in the end, all man on earth will say the truth about who we are. From Igede to Yala to Idoma to Arochukwu to Anyoma Kingdom. Where I come from, Anyoma Kingdom, the world will acknowledge that they have not been fair to us in the end of this journey, because we understand the mene take care of fasting, and we back down for nobody. For in the end, you won't understand, but you shall in the due time, in due season anyway. Mazimefo, as a gentleman, I wish I can be like him anyway. He said, I will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. You have to deal with it, honestly. He is, of course, standing in a deputizing capacity on behalf of our supreme leader. Our supreme leader. our supreme leader. His name is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He is from Afari Beku. I do not need to remind you that as a prince he started his journey, and today his father has gone, passed on, and he is now the king of Afari Beku. Afari Beku is in Umuahia. Umuahia is in Abia State. Abia State is Biafra land. Every piece of land. Anybody who says otherwise, you man here will learn. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the director of Radio Biafra and of course Biafran Television. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of IPOB. IPOB, our leader inside IPOB. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is our leader. And by the special grace of God, for over 60 years or thereabout, nobody has been able to stand up to speak for the collective interests of the Biafran people until he came. Until he came. We continue to say that today, that we are here on air, yapping or talking on Facebook, depending the kangaroo group you belong to. Nobody gave birth to this, our leader. That is why I keep saying sometimes, I say, our leader has succeeded in putting something in motion. Even he cannot stop it. The only way Elohim will stop it is to take our life. And then if somewhere along the line, we had the privilege of talking to him, like Job, we will address Elohim. I am George Onyibe. George Onyibe is from Abo. Abo is in Anyoma Kingdom. Abo is in Anyoma Kingdom. Anyoma Kingdom is in Delta State. Of course, you have Anyoma people in Rivers State. Yes, you have Anyoma people in Anambra State. Yes, you have Anyoma people in Edo State. Anyoma Kingdom. That is where I come from. Kirone. It is a privilege that up to this moment, I serve IPOB as the African rep and the Nigerian interim national coordinator. I'm no more longer the interim national coordinator, but I'm still African rep and honestly still a member of the IPOB. Of course, do not forget it's not my father's property. And those of you on Facebook, try and help me verify what is happening with our satellites. Make sure we are streaming live there. If we are not, please indicate on time so that I can check my system here. Those of you on Facebook, help me verify if the app is flowing very well. Because the enemy of Biafra must understand, no one you cannot break us down. We cannot be breaking, neither can we break down. You cannot. All those who made sure Biafra will not come should begin to prepare their load. We understand we will struggle. We understand we will fight. We understand we will stress ourselves and there will be pain. But we also understand that in the end, he that taught to Rugugio, O Mema, he that taught to Ruguge, Noga Kara Kerugo. He that taught to Rugugio, Apata Nekungwao, he that taught to Ruguge, Noga Kara Kerugo. Yes, Oko Samuel, Ipuwatine Kadia Mama. I get it from you. The app is streaming very fine and beautiful. That is good. Those of you on satellite, please, I need you to notify me. You say your voice is sound and clear. That is Anna, Kana, Chuku. You are doing good. You are doing very well. All of you on Facebook, you are the people why I come out here. You are part, sorry, you are part of the people. Adia Mama, Owonecha Gwarobosi or Obosi Gwaronecha. You know, in this new generation, they say, oh, Gwara, oh, Kendebu, oh. We've passed that stage. The enemy of Biafra, it doesn't matter their shape and their form, they will understand that they have people like us to deal with. Here in IPOB, wherefore, you will understand. You have not heard from us, honestly. All of you. We hear from us, but let it be on record that we are free men. Let it be on record that we are the most endangered species of Homo sapiens that has walked here on earth. Honestly, we fight for our right to self-determination. It was first of all God-given. We are pressure group. And as such, we will soar on the wings of civil disobedience. The Nigerian state understands this truth. It's only idiot who is a Biafran who don't understand this truth will fault us. That is why even as a reverend, having reverend or the reverend for 27 years, reverend, nobody can violate my conscience. We stood aside among other reverends of reverends to make sure the truth prevails. Our leader keeps saying, Anyana Atwase. We don't lie. If you dare you lie, you come up, tell me. Write me there on Facebook or any other mission. And so you bet you lie. I will bring you on air here. Let me debunk you. You don't lie. The enemy must understand. But of course, I will not continue until I acknowledge Chukwu Okike Abiama. Without him, we are gone as a people. He's their hope and stay. He's the primordial influence that drives us in everything we do. A matter both great and small, he remains God. He's the one who has set our feet upon this path that we must follow. What do we do? What do we do? Let me acknowledge him, so I will not offend him. Chukwu nedema Jehovah nedema Olilanya ndenso nedema O makasi biwale nedema ezi Chineke mo nari ekele o gbenine anya nelo wa mehe nari ekele o gbenine imakwa na senani nemema o eze masenani na gworia o dadi masenani nenyike o timo we biaro buru eziokwu Chukwu edema nedema gbanwe timo nedema olelanya ndị Biafra le nedema eze onye nwe nedema o imakwa na oge lelanya n'enigwe dadi o ebe ahụ na-achị achị o ewefu Chukwu nedema chimo onye nwe nedema o ya anyị jaja gị mma o maka n'eziokwu na-ebu sọ mma ịhụnanya anyị na gị obiọma gị o juru anya dadi o ịmakwa na inwe gị mgbanwe o ọ dịghị onye dị ka gị ịbụ Alfa na Omega anyị niile na-asị na nedema o isi ala gị nwe 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 nwanne otu onye isi ala gị nwe isi ala gị nwe isi ala gị nwe onye ijem ọnụ isi ala gị nwe isi ala gị nwe isi ala gị nwe akpata na-ekwu nwa isi ala gị nwe isi ala gị nwe Chukwu nedema o Chineke nedema olilanya ndị nsọ nedema o ọmakasị biwale nedema ezi Chineke ndewo narị ekele o gbenine o ịdị ya agbanwe Chineke ịdị ya agbanwe obi n'igwe ịdị ya agbanwe onye njem ọnụ ịdị ya agbanwe n'eluigwe n'ụwa ịdị ya agbanwe ịkarịrị ha na-akpọ gị anya n'elu ụwa ịkarịrị ha na-akpọ gị obi n'igwe ịkarịrị ha na-akpọ gị onye anyị ji mọnụ ịkarịrị ha akpọ gị bụ n'etu ahụ dị na mbụ ị ga-adịgide wu ịdị ya agbanwe ihe ahụ ị na-eme ka ji marịa gị o ịdị ya agbanwe Ikosiri mo biebiri o, mgbe adịghị ike chioma mo. Ikosiri mo biebiri, mgbe adịghị ike. You see, before I collect offering, make I stop. Because if I sing another one more track, you go collect offering now, adia mama. But of course, that having been said, we must continue as always, believe me. I have not been around for some time. It is because of one challenge or the other. But be rest assured, as far as those situations and circumstances, it's not beyond our control. We are not going anywhere. If you are enemy of Biafran people, get ready. You never know what will hit you. If you don't want Biafra to come, get ready. You never know what will hit you. We had the call. We answered the call. We will stand by the call to the end. And the Creator, Chukwokika Biama, has assured us that there are certain areas of our life He will never give the enemy the power to ride us. I was saying something recently, and my son looked at me and said, Father, righteousness cannot die. And then I was jigimatorin, you know, for those who understand Ingilibo. He said, I was jigimatorin when my son told me righteousness could not die. And of course, without wasting much of our time, as always, we will go to our topic this evening. Still trying to test my facilities. Of course, there are so many things that makes us come on air. And if for any reason, any day, you did not see us online, we will be there. Always follow Radio Biafra Extra group or page. You will always see us there because we are not going anywhere. We go nowhere, we die here. You won't understand it, and certainly we don't want you to understand it. Some people expect when I come on air, the Nigerian individuals, and then we start crying, oh, they kill us. They will continue killing us, believe me. Oh, they lock us put. They will continue incarcerating us, holding us in Kaminikado. We should understand this thing. It really doesn't matter. We will always pray to the Creator that in the end our sacrifice will not be in vain. That is why sometimes I love America. People don't know why I love America. It's not because we do not understand or we have forgotten that an idiot American, Barack Obama, put us into this shit. Honestly, we've not forgotten that. But then Barack Obama is not America. Donald Trump is not America. No idiot is American. American is American, and American is American. And those who understand the principle upon which this holy nation is built will know the truth. On the Declaration of Independence, the Declaration of Independence for American people, it is written therein that every American citizen must have one truth at the back of their mind. That time in and time out, the blood of the guilty and the innocent will be used to refresh the tree of liberty. They understand. And so when we fight for Biafra, we know Nigerians may kill a lot of innocent people. We know their agent will kill a lot of innocent people. It's okay. We can only pray that the Almighty Elohim, Chukwokika Biama, will keep us standing even unto the end, because we understand that the brave soldier is not the one who killed everybody and died in the battle, but he's the one who, after every challenges, he comes back home. You must be alive. And so, Biafrans, anywhere you are, as we sojourn on this journey and as we fight, do not be careless with your life, honestly. Bob Marley also reflected the same truth, and it said, there is a natural mystics in the air. And don't ask me why. Because things are not the way they used to be. Many more will have to suffer. Many more will have to die. Don't ask me why. There is a natural mystic flowing through the air. I won't tell you no lies. Things are not the way they used to be now. Many more we have to suffer. Many more we have to die. Don't ask me why. Of course, let me not turn to musician this evening. I'm just excited, you know, having been away for some time. And so, but no matter what happened, I sincerely still mourning those who were killed in Enugu. Sincerely still mourning for those who died in 2014 to this very moment. I cannot say much about those who were not here in 2014. But then I remember people died in 1945 and 1929, and millions of them died in between 1976 and 1970. And then in my lifetime, I witnessed the extrajudicial execution of our people, which is still currently going on to this moment. And of course, it is these actions actually fuels and become the influence that drive us at the end of the day. And so the enemies of Biafra are waiting for them to disband us. They are waiting for them to destabilize our morale. They are waiting for themselves to be able to quench us. But I tell you, nobody, not George Onyibe, not our deputy Chimefo, not our leader Mazen Nandekano, not even the board of the DUS, nobody. Because the issue of Biafra goes beyond human reasoning. It's amazing. The people don't even know who they are. As tiny as you are, let's go by that language. Yet many people are terrified. They don't want you to come. And then they visit even devil to make sure you don't come. And they think they will back down here. And you can Of course, like I said, this is a testing broadcast. And then we're going to manage the situation to see how it's going to end. When you run out of data, don't worry, go back. You can always get it. Come to Justice Marere. I am Justice Marere. People are writing Facebook page, George Onyibe. All those nonsense name. I am not Mazi George Onyibe. Onyabo kan wo, me Diopa kan wo. Diopa George Onyibe, Pam Diopa Ndiohi. That is where you fail. Because of course you will still hear this broadcast. Adia Mama. A Nigerian agent can cut me off. I have more than 10 devices recording this broadcast. I will still replay it. You will hear it. We go nowhere. We die here. I hope your spirit is coming down. Sabos, who are Sabos original. But of course, we will not deviate, or rather, I will not digress further. Our topic this evening is simply titled Keeping the Record Straight regarding certain issues about the Biafran Restoration Project. Regarding the Biafran Restoration Project, it is important we keep certain records straight. Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, the People's General, made so many mistakes. But I tell you, no mortal alive today will stand up and condemn him. Because even in every of his slightest mistake, his heart was pure as that of angel. And they were all as a result of genuine intention. Yes, you heard me. I said, Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, my own general. I could only wish he was my father. He made a lot of mistakes. Solomon made a lot of mistakes. People question wisdom today because of Solomon. But then, in the end of all the mistake of the People's General, Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, my own daddy, that man idiot like Gowon, another idiot like Obasanjo, other idiot of terrorists who are still alive, they can never equal with Dim Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu. We call him the People's General, and tonight I call him my own general. They can never be like him, but yet he made mistakes. Our strength in IPOB is derived from putting the mistakes of our father together and then making it part of our own bleeding heart to turn the enemies down. Because they want us to mourn, we will mourn. They want to disgrace us and put us in shame. That is not possible, because there is no shame in the womb that gave birth to us. Do you understand that? Our topic, as I said, is simple. Keeping the record straight regarding certain issues, not all issues, about the Biafra Restoration Project. I have studied, listened to people, and some of them who do not understand the paths Ojukwu took. This is what they say. Or rather, that is the truth. When the war broke up in 1967, Dim Chukwemeka Ojukwu, I will not blame him as the most enlightened, the most intelligent, one of the few individuals that could be classified under the umbrellas of academians. He was one of them. Most of you will not understand that in the whole Nigerian army, all those idiots, General this, General Babangida, General Buhari, all those idiots, they didn't go to school. The only person who went to school among those class was simply Dim Chukwemeka Odimegwu Ojukwu. But he made mistakes. And so when the war broke out, after Aburi Accord failed, Ojukwu in haste asked the Biafran people to return home. Of course, that is starting from every area. Igede, Iyala, Idoma, Igala, all the way to Urobo, Ishekiri, everywhere, Agbo. Most of you don't know that 90% of the generals who fought with Ojukwu are Nyoma people. Idiots are yapping there. But he failed somewhere. He was swimming alone in a shore he has not been. Ojukwu, on that very fateful day, declared all Biafran intellectual house arrest. He arrested all of them, from Professor Ben Nwabwezi to Professor Amechi of Umpo, Anambra State, to our brother Akanebian, down to Chine Achibe, including Zeke of Africa, all the way to Asiko Babe, to mention but a few. He placed them under house arrest, and then he gave them boundary not to move beyond 10-kilometer radius around their house or they will be killed. Among the number of numerous people that were involved in that very condition, Asiko Babi escaped. Nnamdi Azikiwe escaped. Yes, Asiko Babi will be classified as a terrorist today. But how did he get there? When he has